865 b, and we are solving this equation, and it's a square root. So the first thing I'm going to do is write it down. 3 times the square root of x plus 2 equals 12. And then I'm going to isolate the square root first. So I'm going to divide by 3, and I get the square root of x plus 2 equals 4. And then I want to get rid of the square root. So if I square this side, then I can square this side. And so remember what happens with this when you have the square root of x plus 2 times the square root of x plus 2. You multiply what's inside, and so then you get the square root of x plus 2 squared. And so when you take the square root of that, it's going to be x plus 2. So that's the process that's going on. So then this ends up getting x plus 2 equals 16. And then you're going to subtract by 2, subtract by 2, and then we get x equals, what is that, 14. And then what we want to do is we want to check our solution, and we check it by substituting it back in. So we're going to get 14 plus 2. I can erase a little bit of, whoopsie. Alright, so the square root of x plus 2 equals 12. And so then we get 3 square root 14 plus 2 equals 12. And so 14 plus 2 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. Times 3 is 12, and it checks.